Now, if you watch my channel, you know late last year I reviewed an excellent smartwatch from a company called Mobvoi. It's called the TicWatch Pro, and it really garnered a lot of attention. I put it head to head with the Samsung Galaxy Watch, one of my favorites of all time, and it really did very well. In fact, I used to wear it quite as much as I did as the Samsung Galaxy Watch. But for the past 30 days, I've been wearing this. This is the follow-up to the TicWatch Pro. Now, I couldn't talk about it because I've been under an embargo. Well, the good news is that embargo lifts right now. This is the TicWatch Pro with LTE. That's right, this has a built-in LTE modem, allowing you to make calls, allowing you to use data without the use of a smartphone. You can leave it at home. And I've been using it for the past 30 days, and I have to say, I've been impressed so far. Hey everybody, it's Andrew, and this is my unboxing and first look at the TicWatch Pro with LTE. Coming up. Want to see more videos like this? Why not hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell. This way you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. Now, in the interest of transparency and full disclosure, Mobvoi sent this over for my unbiased opinion. I'm not being paid by Mobvoi, I'm not being sponsored by Mobvoi. All the opinions you're about to hear are my own, and no one is seeing this video before its release. Now, with that out of the way, let's find out what you get inside the box. Let's open it up. Now, lifting the lid, you're greeted by the watch itself. Now, it's very similar to the TicWatch Pro in terms of looks, but there are some differences. Now, in the box, you get a setup guide as well as your proprietary charging cradle. It connects magnetically to the smartwatch, and it connects very securely, and that's always good. Now, holding this smartwatch for the first time, you'll notice it has really excellent build quality. It's very similar to the TicWatch Pro we took a look at, and it does have a very light feel to it. It doesn't feel substantial, and that's great if you're working out, going for a run. It's not going to weigh down your wrist. Now, as far as the materials used, it's polyamide and glass fiber with a stainless steel bezel and an aluminum back cover. And to me, it looks good. I like the stealth black on this, and it looks really sleek in my opinion. Pretty interesting looking smartwatch to say the least. I actually like it. The TicWatch Pro with LTE is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 2100, 1GB of RAM, 4GB of onboard storage. It's also powered by the Wear OS by Google. And it has built-in 4G LTE. In the US, you will be able to use it on Verizon. You can go swimming with it thanks to its IP68 rating, and it's extremely durable thanks to its military standard A10G rating. You're looking at Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and of course, GPS. And let's not forget NFC. Use it with Google Pay. I absolutely love that. Now, as far as the display is concerned, you're looking at a 1.39-inch AMOLED display. It's bright, it's sharp, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm very happy with it so far. And it's covered in Gorilla Glass 3. The TicWatch Pro with LTE sports a 415 mAh battery. I'm curious to see how battery life will be, especially with the LTE. I'll test it in my full review. Now, Mobvoi says you're going to get up to 2 days in the smart mode. That's using the AMOLED display layer. And then if you use the essential mode, that's the LCD layer, you're going to get up to 5 days. We'll do all the testing, so stay tuned for that. And there's no shortage of sensors, especially the heart rate sensor. Works really well so far in my initial testings. More to come in my full review. It's compatible with both Android and iOS. Now here I am pairing it with my Galaxy Note 9. Pairing process was very easy, setup instructions were straightforward, and it really had no issues. I really think this pairing process was very simple and straightforward, and I like that. And it also has the TicMotion 2.0. Now, we talked about TicMotion in my review of the TicWatch Pro. It basically automatically detects when you start running, when you start exercising, and it will track that activity. I like that. It's a very good in terms of convenience factor, and it allows you to get your workout in, not having to worry about pressing unnecessary buttons. It just works in the background. And to me, that is great. Now I love the fact that it uses standard 22mm band, so you can change this out, but the band that it does come with is extremely comfortable, excellent for working out, gives you good breathability, you don't get very sweaty with it. I actually like it, and it's very durable. Now as far as pricing is concerned, it hasn't been set at the time of this video recording, although Molvoy did tell me that they expect it to come in under $300, which to me is very competitive, especially if you compare it to the price of the Apple Watch with LTE. Now, having said that, there is a special offer. I'm teaming up with Molvoy to give you a very special discount and a free gift if you order within the first 48 hours after launch. Now, if you order from their official website, you not only get a $20 discount off the TicWatch Pro with LTE, you also get a free Tic Home Mini, a smart speaker powered by the Google Assistant. That's a $59 value on top of the $20 discount, and to me, that's a great deal. Now this deal is only going to last for 48 hours after launch, so make sure you hit it up if you're in the market for a TicWatch Pro. Well, so far so good, ladies and gentlemen. My first initial impressions of the TicWatch Pro with LTE are mostly positive. There are very few negatives, if at all. Let's talk about what I like. I like the smart mode with the essential mode. The smart mode uses the AMOLED display. It's sharp, it's bright, it's crisp, it's beautiful. And of course, the essential mode using that LCD layer, giving you better battery life. I like the fact that it has very comfortable fit, really good for working out, really good for wearing every day. It really did feel very good. And as far as the TicMotion 2.0, I absolutely love that feature. I love that automatic activity detection, and I especially like the fact that it has an IP68 rating, allowing you to go swimming with this and taking it in the shower. Now, the biggest selling feature, of course, will be the inclusion of the 4G LTE, allowing you to make calls, texts, and of course, using data without needing your smartphone. You can leave it at home. Now, the biggest negatives to me so far are the fact that it's running an older CPU. It's the Snapdragon Wear 2100, not the newer 3100 I would have liked to have seen on this device. And of course, since it does have LTE, it might be exclusive here in the United States. I'm reaching out to Molvoy to confirm whether or not this will be coming to other carriers and whether or not there will be an unlocked version coming soon. So stay tuned. I will let you know once I find out that information. But so far, this is looking really good. So what do you think about this bad boy, the TicWatch Pro with LTE? Now, I'm glad the embargo lifted today. I've been using it for the past 30 days. Now, this is coming to the United States on Verizon. Now, whether or not there'll be an unlocked version, whether or not there will be other carriers here in the United States that will offer this, that remains to be seen, but it is coming to Verizon. Now, I will be doing a full review on this very soon, and one of the things I'm going to test out is that LTE modem on this. How is the 4G LTE working with Verizon here in the United States? Now, the other thing I really like about this, of course, is its AMOLED display. Not only do you get some really vibrant colors, it's also very bright, and it's very readable in both indoors and outdoors as well. Now, the other thing you want to know about this, it also has that LCD layer, or what they call the essential mode, which will allow you to get even more battery life. So that's another thing that I really like about the TicWatch Pro, and it's here on the TicWatch Pro with LTE. The things I'm really curious about are, how is the battery life going to be when you're using the LTE, when you're leaving your phone at home, and you're using this exclusively. So that's one of the things I'm going to be testing in my full review. Comfortable in terms of the breathability. You're not going to be sweating all that much with it. It actually really feels good. It's not too heavy either. It's pretty light, so if you want to go for a run and you want to take it to the gym, it actually fits really well, and it wasn't in the way. Now, there are a couple of things that I don't like about it. Of course, the Wear 2100 CPU, that's an old chipset. I kind of wish it had one of the newer chipsets that are coming, and this doesn't have it, unfortunately. And the other thing I'm not crazy about, if it is indeed exclusive to Verizon, I don't like exclusives with these carriers, with the smartphones, and I don't like them with smartwatches either. But I'm curious to know what you think. Let me know in the comment section below. What do you think of the TicWatch Pro with LTE? I've got a lot of testing to do on it, but so far it's actually pretty fluid, pretty snappy, despite having that Wear 2100 CPU. So please hit the like button, please subscribe, please share this video. Don't forget to leave a comment in that comment section below. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if there's a device or something out there you think I should review. I'll do my best to try to make that happen. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook, on Twitter, Instagram, and of course my website, amdtechreviews.com. So until next time, this is Andrew from AMD Tech. See ya.